Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancy in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited. Name of post is trainee officer. Here the qualification asked is either a CA, CMA or MBA or PG diploma 2 years full time with minimum 60% marks. Upper age limit is 28 years. There are 12 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, these are permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. A per month pay scale will be in the range of 40,000 to 1,40,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 11th August 2024. Friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses covering the entire technical syllabus of PSU examination, and we are keep on adding new courses for your preparation as you can see on your screen. So visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start your preparation. And in case you wish to prepare for non-technical syllabus, especially the reasoning part, then you should visit PSU exam prep website. There we are offering non-technical video lecture course of reasoning. Discount code and website link is mentioned in the description. You can check them. I wish you all the best for your examination. From next vacancy is again from Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited. Name of post is manager or senior manager. Qualification asked is either a CA, CMA or MBA or postgraduate diploma 2 years full time with minimum 60% marks. Here upper age limit for manager is 30 years and for senior manager is 35 years. There are 2 vacancies for manager and 6 vacancies for senior manager, and place of posting will be all over India. And these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 4 years of experience for manager and 6 years experience for senior manager. Here package offered for manager is 12.3 lakhs per annum and for senior manager is 15.38 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 11th August 2024. The next vacancy is again from Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited. Name of post is Assistant General Manager, Deputy General Manager and General Manager. Here the qualification asked is also same as that of last vacancy, that is CA, CMA or MBA or postgraduate diploma with 2 years full time with minimum 60% marks. Here upper age limit is 40 years for Assistant General Manager, 45 years for Deputy General Manager and 50 years for General Manager. There are 2 vacancies for Assistant General Manager, 1 vacancy for Deputy General Manager and 1 vacancy for General Manager. Place of posting is all over India. Nature of employment is permanent. Friends, you need to have 8 years of experience for Assistant General Manager, 12 years for Deputy General Manager and 17 years for General Manager. And the package offered for Assistant General Manager is 18.45 lakhs, for Deputy General Manager is 21.53 lakhs and for General Manager it is 27.68 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 11th August 2024. Friends, next vacancy is from National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Name of post is Assistant Manager Grade A Journal. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 60% marks or post graduation degree or MBA or PGDM with minimum 55% marks or a CA, CS or CMA. There is no percentage requirement for CA, CS, CMA. Upper age limit is 30 years. There are 50 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, these are permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. Here package will be 12 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 15th August 2024. And next vacancy is from National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. And next vacancy is again from NABARD. Name of post is Assistant Manager Grade A Chartered Accountant. Here the qualification asked is a Chartered Accountant, and here you need to have a membership on or before 1st July 2024, then only you are eligible. Upper age limit is 30 years. Friends, there are 4 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. These are permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. Here package will be 12 lakhs per annum. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last vacancy. The next vacancy is again from NABARD. The name of post is Assistant Manager Grade A Finance. Here the qualification asked is wide open, that is BBA, BMS Finance and Banking, BFIA with 60% marks or PGDM Finance, MBA, MMS Finance with 55% marks are eligible to apply for this post. Upper age limit is 30 years. There are 7 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, these are permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. Here package will be 12 lakhs per annum. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last 2 vacancies. The next vacancy is from RBI. Name of post is Officers Grade B Journal. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 60% marks or postgraduate with minimum 55% marks. Upper age limit is 30 years. There are 66 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, these are permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. Here per month salary offered is 1,22,717. Mode of application is online and last date is 16th August 2024. The next vacancy is again from RBI. Here the name of post is Officers Grade B DEPR. Qualification asked is master's degree in economics or a master's degree in finance with minimum 55% marks. Upper age limit is 30 years. There are 21 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, again it's a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Per month salary and mode of application and last date to apply is same as that of last vacancy. The next vacancy is from International Advanced Research Center for Powder Metallurgy and New Minerals. Name of post is Assistant A Admin HR Finance and Stores. Qualification asked is graduation. Upper age limit is 28 years. There are 3 vacancies. Place of posting is in Hyderabad and these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 3 years of experience. Your per month salary will be 57,960. Mode of application is online and last date is 26th August 2024. Friends, next vacancy is from LIC Housing Finance Limited. Name of post is Junior Assistant. Qualification asked is graduation with minimum 60% marks. Upper age limit is 28 years. There are 200 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. Nature of employment is permanent. No prior experience asked. A per month salary will be in the range of 32,000 to 35,200. Mode of application is online and last date is 14th August 2024. And next vacancy is from Heavy Vehicle Factory Avandi. Name of post is Graduate Apprentice. Qualification required is graduation. Here age limit is not mentioned. Here they have mentioned that you should be passed during 2020 and onwards, then only eligible. Number of vacancies are 100. Place of posting is in Chennai and nature of employment is stipendary in nature, basically for 1 year or 2 year. Experience asked is nil. Stipend you will be paid 9,000 per month. Mode of application is online and last date is 19th August 2024. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you think that these vacancies might be useful, and I will see you all in the next week with the latest update. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.